Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Hermosa from BTB111C. So this is my recorded video about my reflection in human action in decision making. So we all know that human action is an act performed with full knowledge and free will. So I have a question to you guys. Have you ever stopped to think about how you make decisions? Well, we all know that it's not always as simple as just picking the best option, right? Because we're just human, and that means our choices are influenced by a lot of things. Sometimes we think we're making a decision based on logic and reasons, but our emotions can sneak in and change our minds. For example, guys, you might logically know that eating a whole pizza is unhealthy, right? But if you're feeling sad, that pizza suddenly seems like a really good idea. It's not just what inside us that affects our decision also. What's happening around us matters too. Our friends, family, the news we see, and even our past experiences can also influence what we choose. Imagine you're choosing a new phone. So you might be more likely to pick one that your friends have, even if it's not the best option for you because maybe you already have an idea about that phone, no? That's why you choose it. So making a decision is like it's like a process, no? We think about the problem, consider different choices, and think about what might happen if we pick one option over another. Sometimes we need to gather more information like reading reviews about a product before buying it. So the best way to make good decision, guys, is to get to know ourselves better. What are values, what are goals, what are strengths and weaknesses. So of course, the more we understand ourselves, the better we can make choices that align with who we are and what we want. So our decisions affect not just us but also the people around us and and the world as a whole, no? So every time we choose something, we're making a small impact. It's important to think about the consequences of our choices, both for ourselves and for others. So thinking about how we make decision help us understand ourselves better and make better choices in our lives. So it's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it, no? So that is all, guys, for human action about decision making. I hope you learned something. Thank you.